Today, we're going to show you a small home tour with a single-story home design. White color paint gives the external walls a stylish appearance, and the left side exquisitely designed with beautiful caddies. There is a small patio. Open-style sit-out is designed here. There are more seats set up in this area. The door and windows gives the sit-out a classy appearance. Continuing on, the living room is charmingly ornamented with a lovely sofa set, a tea table, and a TV unit. There are dining tables and seats in the stylishly decorated dining room. There also have a neat wash area. There is a beautiful courtyard with Jali structure. Enclosed to this area, the kitchen is quite well designed. The color combination of wall tiles and cabinet give it a soothing view. There is also have a working area. Let's now talk about the bedrooms. The first bedroom has a double cot bed and everything is simply decorated. A double cot bed and wardrobes are also set up in the second bedroom. This is a stylish house plan overall, with a very lovely exterior appearance. Thanks for watching. Feed your comments in comment box.